class. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the creating a portfolio assignment. So I'm at the home page. I'm going to go down to modules. I'm going to go down to the week 1 module and click on creating your portfolio. This page is a list of instructions for creating your portfolio. I will show this briefly in the video so that you can read over it. But I'm also going to take you through the steps. So first you're going to go to VoiceThread and create an account if you haven't. And I'm going to take you through the VoiceThread process real quick. So if you haven't created a VoiceThread account, it's going to take you to a different page where you will create the account. Then you're going to come to a page that looks kind of like this. And then you're going to go to Create. So this is where you'll add your media. And here I explained what the first page should be. And the front page of your portfolio is going to be your name, the class name, a picture of your choice, and then if you want to be a little bit more professional, you're going to do the title of what you would be in your game design team. I think I put that here. So mine is concept design. I'm also a character designer, but I just put in concept design for now. So you're going to add your media, and my first page is going to be exactly that. Let's see, game portfolio, there it is, and I'm going to open that. And then it's going to prompt you for a title, a description, and tags. You can do a description if you want to, but it's not required. I'm going to just put ePortfolio. And then you can do cover art as well, but it has to be a 16 by 9 to fit correctly. And then I'm going to save that. And so after that, you're going to add whatever art pieces that you want in your concepts. I'm going to go to my computer and just upload something random. It doesn't take very long to upload. And then when it does, I'm going to go to my first page and either make a text comment or an audio comment, which you will do here. So on this page, I just want you to explain who you are, the course you're taking, and what your expectations are for the portfolio. Just introduce yourself as well. And then on the second page, you're going to do either a text comment or an audio comment, also here, and you're going to explain what your creative process was. So this is the audio comment, and this is the text comment. You are absolutely welcome to do a video comment as well, but I know that's not the favorite. I encourage it though. It's an awesome way to get your facial expressions in as well and have it not just be a text-based comment. I want the comments from other students to be very respectful, and if you have criticism, make sure it's constructive and not rude. So I will go over that as well, where you'll be posting your portfolio for fellow students to comment on. So from here, we're going to go back up to modules, go down to week 1 again, and go into the portfolio discussion. So the portfolio discussion is where you are going to post your portfolio link. You're going to come down here. As you can see, I already put in mine, but I'm going to show you how to do it again. I'm going to press reply, and from here you're going to go to your portfolio. You're going to copy your link, and you're going to post it in there. You can leave it like this, but I would prefer it if you also created a link. And how you do that is you click the link. You also will copy and paste the same URL here, and you're going to press insert link, and that will create the link for you. You're going to press post reply. You don't have to write anything else, of course. And then there it is, your posted link. So you're going to press that as a student who's going to comment, and it's going to take you to the portfolio. And from here, as a replying student, you are going to comment on their slides. And this is going to happen every week. Every concept that someone posts, someone is going to comment on it. It doesn't always have to be the same person, but I would like you guys to comment on at least 2 to 3 fellow students' concept work. So on the next slide, you are going to press this, and you're going to create your text-based comment. And I want you to provide kind feedback. I want you to be supportive. But if you have criticism, I want you to have constructive criticism. I don't want you to be rude and just throw out something that you didn't like about it. I want you to tell the person why you didn't particularly enjoy that part of what their creative process was, or why part of the design doesn't quite click with what they were trying to go for. And then you will either do an audio or a text-based. I would like you to do both and not just keep it text-based. I know that audio and video is a little bit deterring, but it is a great source to pick up tone in someone's voice and see how they're talking to you. And in video, you will pick up both the tone of someone's voice and the facial expressions, and I think that's very helpful when you're getting feedback like this. I would definitely prefer you use these, but I can understand if you would like to use text instead. And from there, that's just going to happen every week. I think that's about everything. If you have any questions, talk to each other, talk to me. I will always answer questions, and I'm sure that your team members will want to work with you as well. So communicate. That is a big part of team building. And have fun with this, guys. I really hope you have a blast. This is a really great project that is going to help you with your future, and it's going to also be a great way to create a portfolio. It's strong, and you can definitely use it when you're looking for jobs in the future. Game companies always look at portfolios when they're hiring a design team. Animators, artists, sound, tech, it doesn't matter. If there's a portfolio for them to look at, they want to see it, and it builds credibility because it means you have experience. And I think there is where I'm going to leave it. All right, have fun, guys.